Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in a collaboration I've been invited to by the girls at DECO. I thank them so much for inviting me. It's an honor because they are absolutely adorable and they are so talented. You have no idea. In this collaboration there are like 15, 16 other very talented crafters too, and I will leave the link to all the channels in the description box, as well as the playlist with all our videos. So please pay a visit to the channels and watch the videos, please, and give us your support. What I'm doing for this collaboration, is something for fall, because the title is Getting Ready for Fall. So I thought of making a tic-tac-toe that I plan on placing on a coffee table, and I really like the idea. It's not something I saw anywhere. It came to my mind. Maybe someone else have done something like this. I don't think I'm a genius. But I didn't get inspired by nothing, but just came to my mind. And I thought it would be great to make a tic-tac-toe. Let's see how it turns out. For the borders, for the frame, hope you know already, my daughter and I are dumpster divers. So the link to our channel, Dumpster Chick, is also going to be in the description box. Pay a visit, and we will really appreciate that. It's a lot of fun. So at Michael's we found two of these signs. As you can see, they are broken. So what I did was take it apart. As you can see, it's really easy. And then I used the borders. Of course, the other part was longer, that's why I could get this size. And this is perfect for this frame. The first thing I did was to spray paint it with Rust-Oleum. I don't remember the name of the paint. But the color was supposed to be this one, but it ended up looking like this, and I didn't like it. So I had this soft body acrylic, also from the dumpster, also from Michael's, and I just gave it a coat of this color. Unfortunately, the border is kind of porous and doesn't absorb the paint. I don't know if you can hear, we are having a storm. There's a lot of thunder. So I finally got the color I wanted. Then I just glue the different borders to a piece of foam from Dollar Tree, and I added a sheet of scrapbook paper and this ribbon that I have had for ages to make the grid for the tic-tac-toe. On the sides of the longest pieces of wood, I added these enamel dots from Dollar Tree to mimic like screws or something like that. That's a detail. And now I'm going to finish it. No, this is not this is the one. Adding this last border. So I'm going to use E6000, and this is really easy. Let's start here. Not too much, because I don't want the glue to show and I have to add something, some amount of glue here and here. So now it's just a matter of placing this here. I'm sorry. And pressing. Of course, this requires a lot of pressure for a while. I don't have time to do that now. Maybe later I will add a little bit more of this glue. Like here also it's coming apart. I will do this later, but I wanted you to see how it looks. As you can see, it's a very easy DIY. Oops. Okay. Let's do this again. And let's not move it for a while till it starts to dry. Let's click here. Okay, I have these 6,000 in my hands and in my fingers, but it's okay. And now the finished touch is the pieces to play the tic-tac-toe, that are these adorable pumpkins from Dollar Tree that are also from the dumpster, and I love them. Let's say the orange lost, the white won, as you can see here. And I plan on placing it like this, with these remaining pumpkins maybe here or here, so it's ready for someone to enjoy and play. So this is my DIY for this collaboration. Again, thanks so much to the girls at DECO Easy for inviting me, and thank you to all the other girls that are participating. And again, please visit their channels, visit the playlist, enjoy these creations and get inspired. Thank you so much to all of you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done it already. Ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video, and hope to see you in my next one. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.